Welcome to your Moodle courseroom. The courseroom is divided vertically by functionality, left, center, and right. The center area contains sections or blocks as referred to by Moodle. Moodle numbers consecutive blocks starting with block 0. Block 0 is a static block that always appears at the top of the page. This is a good location for you to provide news and weekly updates for your students since it's always the first thing they see when they come to your course. Frequently changing the information in Block 0 will enable your students to feel that you have an active presence in their course. Seeing the same content for 16 weeks, e.g. a welcome to the course message in week 10, may not be the best option for your students. If you scroll, you can see the content for each block. Jumping ahead, we're going to view Block 6, Lesson 5, Camp Director. In Block 6, we've provided some graphic stimulation, the objectives we'd like you to accomplish for the lesson, activities you'll complete in the lesson, which will kind of give you the perspective of what students experience in your course, as well as the links to the lesson and PDF documents for reference. You'll also see a nifty commercial for using rubrics. Check that out when you get there. You have other blocks on the left and right sides of the screen. When first learning Moodle, the blocks on the left side are the most critical. The settings and navigation blocks are where you'll find most of the support functions for your course. You can either follow along with me here or pause and open your Moodle course in another window. Click along with my voice in your course to see how it works for you. If you get off track, simply return to the tutorial, pause, and rewind. The two areas you'll use most in the navigation block are My Profile and My Courses. Clicking on the arrow to the left of the option will cause the menu to expand. You can see that in the My Profile menu, you have a link to My Private Files. This is your private file repository. Clicking on the My Courses arrow will expand that menu and list the courses for which you are currently enrolled. The Settings menu is covered in detail in the next lesson, Personalization. However, by expanding the Course Administration menu, you'll find that the Settings menu is where you'll go to edit your Moodle course, locate your gradebook, find the backup and restore functions typically used at the beginning and end of semesters, your question bank, and legacy course files, if you have files moved from a lower version of Moodle into the current version. The Settings menu also enables you to switch roles if you want to see your course as a student might, and to change some of your profile settings. This concludes your tutorial on navigating the Moodle courseroom.